Hey everyone, welcome to Delta Edge. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of the stock market to answer the big question: are these stocks the next big thing? We're going to be looking at some companies you might have heard of, some you might not have, but all of them have one thing in common: the potential to be serious money makers. We're talking about stocks that could skyrocket in value, stocks that could make you some serious returns. But remember, this isn't about getting rich quick. Investing in the stock market always comes with risks. Stick around till the end because we have an exciting surprise worth 21,000 rupees just for you. First up, we have Nippon India ETF Liquid BES, ticker symbol Liquid Bs. It's currently trading at 1,000 rupees with a volume of 3,795,438. Now, you might be thinking, Graham, a 0% change? Where's the excitement? And you know what? You're right to ask that. We're not here to chase pennies. But here's the thing about Liquid Bs. It's all about diversification and stability. This ETF invests in a basket of liquid money market instruments, which means your money is safe and secure. It's not going to make you a millionaire overnight, but it will give you that peace of mind knowing that a portion of your portfolio is in a low-risk, stable investment. You need that anchor, that safety net. So while Liquid Bs might not be the flashiest investment out there, it's definitely one to consider for that bedrock of your portfolio. Next on our list is Lambadhara Textiles Limited, or Lambadhara, for those of you who like ticker symbols as much as I do. Trading at 209 rupees and 65 paise with a volume of 1,325,874, Lambadhara has seen a healthy 2.08% increase today. Now, a 2.08% jump might not seem like much, but remember, it's all about the trend. And Lambadhara has been on a steady uptrend for a while now. Why? Because they're killing it in the textile market. People always need clothes, right? It's a basic human need. Plus, with the economy picking up steam, people have more disposable income to spend on things like clothing. So if you're looking for a stock with a proven track record and the potential for continued growth, Lambadhara is definitely one to watch. Let's move on to BSL Limited, or BSL as it's known in the trading world. This stock is currently trading at 231 rupees and 50 paise with a volume of 877,649. Now, here's where things get interesting. BSL has surged by a whopping 7.77% today. That's what we like to see, people. But here's the thing, this isn't just a one-day wonder. BSL has been forming a bullish pattern for a while now. First off, they're a major player in the textile industry. And when you combine that with the increasing global demand for textiles, you've got a recipe for serious growth. If you're looking for a stock that's riding a wave of momentum and has the potential to deliver some serious returns, BSL is definitely worth a closer look. Chapter 4. Almondz Global Securities. A diamond in the rough. Now let's talk about Almondz Global Securities Limited, or Almondz as it's listed on the stock exchange. Trading at 33 rupees and 87 paise with a volume of 729,735, Almondz has taken a bit of a dip today, down by 3.2%. And you know what? That's okay. Not every stock is going to be a winner every single day. In fact, sometimes a dip can be a good thing. Almondz Global Securities is in a unique position. They're a smaller player in the financial services industry, but they've got big plans. So, if you're looking for a stock with high growth potential and you're not afraid of a little volatility, Almondz could be a hidden gem in your portfolio. Chapter 5. Laxmi Kotspin, spinning a web of growth. Up next is Laxmi Kotspin Limited, or Laxmi Kot for short. This stock is currently trading at 35 rupees and 13 paise with a volume of 528,774. And get this, it's up by a remarkable 13.51%. That's right, 13.51%. Laxmi Kotspin is in the business of, you guessed it, cotton spinning. They've got a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, a strong distribution network, and they're constantly innovating to stay ahead of the curve. But here's the real kicker. Demand for cotton yarn is skyrocketing. Laxmi Cotspin is perfectly positioned to capitalize on this trend. And that, my friends, is why I'm so bullish on Laxmi Cot. Chapter 6. Suryalakshmi Cotton Mills. Weaving Profits. Let's shift our focus to Suryalakshmi Cotton Mills Limited, or Suryalakshmi, as it's known on the stock market. Trading at 96 rupees and 37 paise with a volume of 407,888, Suryalakshmi has climbed a solid 7.84% today. The textile industry is booming, and Suryalakshmi Cotton Mills is right in the thick of it. They've got a long and storied history dating back over a century, and they've used that experience to become one of the leading textile manufacturers in the country. As more and more people around the world enter the middle class, they're going to want access to the same high-quality textiles that we enjoy here. Now let's talk about a company that's not directly involved in textile manufacturing, but plays a crucial role in getting those textiles where they need to go. I'm talking about Maheshwari Logistics Limited, or Maheshwari on the stock exchange. This stock is currently trading at 77 rupees and 64 paise with a volume of 374,593, and it's up by a respectable 2.02%. But here's the thing about logistics, it's the backbone of the global economy. Everything we buy, everything we use has to be transported from point A to point B, and that's where Maheshwari Logistics comes in. Businesses need reliable logistics partners to get their products to market on time and on budget. And that's why I believe Maheshwari is a stock with long-term growth potential. Chapter 8. DSP BlackRock Liquid ETF. Stability strikes back. Let's circle back to the world of ETFs with DSP BlackRock Liquid ETF, ticker symbol Liquid ETF. Trading at 1,000 rupees with a volume of 365,600, Liquid ETF offers the same stability and low risk as our first stock, Nippon India ETF Liquid BES. This ETF invests in a diversified basket of liquid money market instruments, making it a safe haven for your money, especially during times of market volatility. While some of the other stocks we've discussed today are like racehorses, capable of explosive growth but also prone to some bumps along the way, Liquid ETF is like a sturdy workhorse. It's not going to win any speed races, but it'll reliably pull its weight, providing you with consistent, albeit modest, returns over time. Sometimes, a steady stream of singles and doubles is all you need to win the game. Chapter 9. Nippon India ETF 5-year Gilt. The bond play. Now let's talk about a different kind of ETF, one that invests in government bonds. Nippon India ETF 5-year Gilt, or Gilt 5, Bs for short. It's currently trading at 57 rupees and 33 paise with a volume of 355,716. Bonds aren't as flashy as stocks. They don't offer the same potential for explosive growth. But here's the thing about bonds. They're incredibly stable. When the stock market is going haywire, bonds tend to hold their value. It invests in a basket of 5-year Indian government bonds, which are considered to be very safe investments. Now, the returns might not be as high as some of the other investments we've discussed today, but they're very reliable. Chapter 10. Hilton Metal Forging. Forging ahead. Last but not least, let's talk about Hilton Metal Forging Limited, or Hilton as it's known on the stock market. Trading at 84 rupees and 66 paise with a volume of 314,786, Hilton has edged up by 1.13% today. Metal forging is an essential part of countless industries, from automotive to aerospace to construction. Hilton Metal Forging is one of the leading players in this space. So, if you're looking for a stock that's tied to a fundamental industry, has a proven track record of success, and offers solid growth potential, Hilton is definitely worth considering. Now, for the special surprise I promised. We're giving away 5 financial calculators to 1 lucky viewer. Subscribe, watch till the end, and send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number. Don't miss our course on how to automate trades, now just 99 rupees. Click the link in the description to grab your spot. Your financial journey starts here at Delta Edge.